FHE01 Forza Horizon 6 has hit unexpected error PC. If Forza Horizon 6 crashes with, open quote, Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error. Error code HE01, close quote. The problem is usually caused by corrupted game files, GPU driver issues, overlays, USB device conflicts, Windows settings, or background software interfering with the game. Follow these fixes one by one until the error is solved. Fix 1. Disable MSI Afterburner and rtss. This is one of the biggest causes of FHE01 crashes. Completely close MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner Statistics Server, rtss, FPS overlays, monitoring software. Also disable Discord overlay, Steam overlay, NVIDIA overlay, Xbox Game Bar. Then restart the game. Fix 2. Disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Steps. Open Windows settings. 2. Go to System, Display, Graphics. 3. Open Default Graphics Settings. 4. Turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. 5. Restart your PC. This fixes many launch crashes and black screen issues. Fix 3. Verify game files. Corrupted files are a major reason for FHE01 errors. Steam 1. Right-click Forza Horizon 6. 2. Select Properties. 3. Open installed files. 4. Click Verify integrity of game files. Xbox App Game Pass. 1. Open Xbox App. 2. Find Forza Horizon 6. 3. Manage, Files, Verify, and Repair. Fix 4. Disconnect controllers and racing wheels. Many players crash because of racing wheels, multiple controllers, USB devices. Try this. 1. Disconnect steering wheels, controllers, USB hubs, extra gaming devices. 2. Launch the game. Reconnect devices after entering the main menu. This especially helps with Logitech, Thrustmaster, and Moza wheels. Fix 5. Update or rollback GPU drivers. FHE01 is often linked to unstable graphics drivers. Recommended, clean install latest NVIDIA AMD drivers. If issue started after update, roll back to older stable driver. For best results, use DDU display driver uninstaller, install fresh drivers, restart PC. Fix 6. Remove Citrix Workspace. Important. Citrix Workspace can conflict with Forza Horizon 6 startup. Steps 1. Open Control Panel Programs. 2. Uninstall Citrix Workspace. 3. Restart your PC. Many users fixed FHE01 instantly after removing Citrix. Had Fix 7. Run the game as administrator. Steps 1. Open Game Installation Folder. 2. Right-click Forza Horizon 6.exe. 3. Select Run as Administrator. Optional Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator. Fix 8. Use Alt-Enter method. If the game crashes on startup, steps 1. Launch the game. 2. Immediately spam Alt-Enter. 3. Keep pressing until game enters windowed mode. This bypasses full-screen initialization crashes for some PCs. Fix 9. Update Windows install. Latest Windows updates, latest DirectX files, latest Visual C+ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. Fix 10. Lower VRAM usage. If crashes happen during gameplay, disable ray tracing, lower texture quality, reduce shadow quality, disable frame generation, turn off DLSS FSR temporarily. Low VRAM or unstable settings can trigger FHE01. Extra fixes. Clear shader cache. Delete DirectX shader cache from Windows Disk Cleanup. Close background apps. Close Chrome, Wallpaper Engine, RGB software, recording software. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, completely uninstall Forza Horizon 6. Delete leftover folders. Reinstall on SSD. Best working solutions. Most fixed FHE01 by disabling MSI Afterburner and rtss, turning off hardware GPU scheduling, disconnecting racing wheels controllers, removing Citrix Workspace, verifying game files, updating or rolling back GPU drivers. After applying these fixes, Forza Horizon 6 should launch and run normally again.